Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off low power mode on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Battery. In here, tap on Low Power Mode toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once this is turned on, you will be able to reserve your battery power by turning off all the background activities. Now, so that lower power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So if you want to turn off low power mode, just tap on the toggle button and it will switch off. Once it is turned on, it will show the yellow icon battery, the yellow battery icon, and once it is off, then the battery will become black on the background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.